ఏపీఎస్ఎస్డిసి నైపుణ్య వికాసం ఫంక్షనల్ ఇంగ్లీష్ క్లాస్ 6. Good morning, children. How about you? Good. Today I am going to introduce you an interesting topic. Are you ready? That's good. Okay. Today our topic is, can you say that again? What is our topic? Can you say that again? Children, do you know when do we use this phrase? Can you say that again? I mean, in which situation we ask someone to repeat? Can anyone say? Yes. When it is not audible clearly and when we don't understand what others said. Okay, children. Now observe this picture, please. What do you observe in this picture? Yes, these are some phrases for asking someone to repeat again. Let me read out one by one and you have to follow me. Okay. First one. Would you mind repeating that? Excuse me. Pardon. Sorry. Come again. I beg your pardon. Can you say it in another way, please? Could you say that again, please? I did not catch what you said. Sorry, I can't understand what you are saying. I can't hear your voice. Could you repeat that? What was that? I did not get that. Could you repeat that, please? I'm sorry. Sorry, I did not catch that. Could you run that by me again? Did you just say? Sorry, I still did not. Speak louder, please. Would you mind repeating that, please? I have hearing loss. I'm hard of hearing. Sorry, I don't know that word. What does it mean? Sorry, could you speak more slowly, please? Sorry, could you speak up, please? Could you tell me what it means? Sorry, I don't follow you. And last one. I'm lost. So children, we can use these phrases to ask someone to repeat again. Children, do you have any doubts in these phrases? Okay. Now, I will tell you the meaning of new words. Please write down. Pardon. P-A-R-D-O-N. Pardon. Here R is silent. Pardon means to repeat. Pardon means to repeat. Next one. Beg. B-E-G, beg. Here beg means to request. And third one. Signal. Signal means the availability of cellular services. The availability of cellular services. Now, I am going to show you a simple conversation between two friends, Lalita and Subhashini. Okay. Children, please observe this conversation. First, Lalita. Hello. Hi, Subhashini. How are things at the office? Subhashini. Hi, Lalita. How are you? Can you please bring Ramayana book for me? Lalita. What did you say? Can you repeat that please? Did you say to bring Rajaji book? Sorry, the phone is cutting out. Subhashini. No, I need Ramayana book. Listen, I will text you exactly what I need. Thanks, Lalita. Talk to you later. Lalita. Thanks, Subhashini. Sorry, my phone has really bad signal here. Let me explain this conversation once. Here, Subhashini asked Lalita to bring Ramayana book, but it is not clearly audible to Lalita. Then she asked Subhashini to repeat again. Like this, we can use these phrases according to the situation. Okay? Okay. I think all of you understood this session. Now, I will give you some questions as assessment. Okay, write down. First Roman. Write the meanings of the following. First one, pardon. Pardon. Second one, beg. Beg. Third one, signal. And fourth one, repeat. You have to write the meanings for this. Okay. Second Roman. Write the opposite words for the following. First one, repeat. Second one, understand. Third one, pardon. And fourth one, hear. Okay. Next, third Roman. Write verb forms for the following. First one, understand. And second one, bring. You have to write V2 and V3 forms for these verbs. Next, fourth Roman. Write any 5 phrases to ask someone to repeat again. Write any 5 phrases to ask someone to repeat again. And last, fifth row. Write simple conversation by using the phrase, can you repeat again? Write simple conversation by using the phrase, can you repeat again? Okay, this assessment is for 20 marks. Okay, children, all the best. Thank you.